Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. I'm David. Today we got another Dremel kit here, and this one is called the Wood Kit. You can see right here, a wood kit with 20 pieces. So this will be good for soft and hard wood. Let's get this open and see what this kit comes with and how you can use them. All right. Hope everyone's good. Alright, so let's get this guy opened. Alright, so this is the Wood Kit number 733. And like I said, it has 20 pieces. So here we go. Open this up. Alright. So a lot of these I have used before, but if you guys are looking for a good wood kit with some sanding and little drill bits and stuff like that, little carving bits, this would be a good kit to try out. Alright, so we got so we got a little mandrel here. Alright, tiny little mandrel. You can add in these little sanding discs or make your own. So this would be the drill bit mandrel. It's a model number 402. And it's got a little flathead screw. You can unscrew that with the Dremel tightener, Dremel wrench. And we got these little tiny sanding discs that you can attach to there, which I'll do in just a little bit. Okay, so that's what it comes with there. Then we got some Dremel cutters. I'll just do these all at once. 3 Dremel cutters. Alright, so it will be 190, this very small round. Okay, 190. Then the bigger one will be 191. And then we have the cylinder one. This is 194. And this one here is pretty good for doing beard hairs. Just like these here. You can get that detail with the beard hairs by getting the edge of this. So this is very handy and very useful. Or these are the high-speed cutters, and these are great. And they also came with a high-speed drill bit. All right, it's a nice little drill bit. Make some holes, you know, drill bit. All right. Now, these are the little sanding drums, or you want to call them sanding bands. See if this can come out. Alright, so this came with 4 of those extra ones. Yeah, I believe there's 260 and then 2 120. So I've used these in the past. They're great for, you know, sanding and rounding over. Alright, so pretty simple. Nice little Dremel kit. I'll just test out a few real quick for you guys. So we got the Dremel 4300 with the flex shaft. As you can see here, other Dremels and little bits and pieces that I have. And also, if you've seen the other Dremel kits, I have videos on those. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll leave some playlist of all the Dremel kits and carving bits from Dremel by themselves. So let's see. Let's use this cylinder one, and I have this tree that I've been messing around with ever so often, kind of just messing around. So just try this real quick. Maybe do some lines, some leaves, some details on the tree here. Alright, I'll do this real quick. Put my dust mask on and we'll just put in some lines on this tree here. Alright, so you can see what that can do. Giving you these details of the branches and the needles of a tree, or if you want to do beard hairs, all kinds of cool stuff. So this is very handy. Alright, so tried that one out. You can just know that these round ones will do the same thing. So let's go ahead and try this little sanding band drum. Alright, so you can see what this sanding drum can do. Alright, so now let's try this little mandrel. Okay. So it's a little mandrel on there. Alright, that's about it. So, you know guys, I always use the Peter Blair mandrel. Very heavy duty, quality material, great stainless steel. And well, as the Dremel one is nice and small and tiny for little tiny sanding wheels. So it's still useful and it's good to have, so you can like swap it back and forth for whatever kind of application you're trying to do, or carving. Now it's a nice little typical kit. Okay, if you want to change the sanding disc, wheels, the sanding band, just take the end of your wrench, unscrew this screw here, and it'll slide right off. Put in a new one, and then you'll tighten this up. And it's stuck on there. Alright. So this is the little Dremel Wood Kit. And yeah, it could be very useful if you're just starting out in carving, or want little tiny things to test out. Comes with 3 great little burrs, high-speed cutters, and some good little sanding drums. Alright, so other than that, that'll be it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. You can do nice little carvings with this little tiny kit here. Use that sanding drum. You can shape out a tree real quick. Then you can start using these little detail burrs and make those leaves. Alright, so that's going to be all. Thanks for watching again, and I hope everyone's good. And I'll catch you later.